I don't care what your base weight is, because base weight is a bad metric. Not useless, not meaningless, but incomplete. And sometimes, I think it actually sends people in the wrong direction. If you love tracking base weight, totally fair. I do too sometimes. But let me tell you why I don't think it should be the goal. And let's see if you can change my mind. When I first started getting serious about backpacking, I did what everybody does. I counted everything. Ounces, grams, spreadsheets. And I remember feeling proud when my base weight dropped. Like I'd actually figured something out. But then I get on trail and something still feels off. I'd have a lighter pack, but I wasn't always more comfortable, more confident, or even more capable when conditions would change. And that's when it hit me. Base weight tells you how heavy your pack is, but it doesn't tell you how prepared you are. When ultralight first took off, it wasn't about chasing the lowest number. It was about questioning assumptions. Do I really need this? Can one of these items do the job of two? What happens if I actually trust my gear instead of packing my fear? Then the weight loss came after that thinking. But somewhere along the way, that seemed to have flipped. Today, a lot of people seem to think that ultralight means bringing the least amount of stuff as possible. But that's not how I see it. To me, ultralight is when your knowledge of your gear, your systems, and conditions lets you bring exactly what you need for that trip, and nothing that you don't. When that happens, your pack gets lighter as a byproduct, not as a goal. Two people can have the exact same base weight and completely different experiences out on trail. One may feel anxious, and then the other feels free. Same number, totally different outcome. That's why I think base weight is a bad metric. It measures weight, not wisdom. And here's why I care about this. We go ultralight, not just to hit a number. We do it to go farther, to see more, and to hopefully move easier on trail. This helps us find whatever it is that we need to feel good out on trail. It may be comfort, solitude. Maybe you need a challenge, or you're just looking to find peace. Over the last decade, I've stopped asking, how do I make this lighter? But instead I've started asking, what do I actually need for this trip? This season, this terrain, this pace, or even this experience? And that mindset has changed everything for me. And I'm going to talk about that a lot more in some future videos. So if you think base weight is the right metric, I want to hear why. And if you've shifted away from numbers to systems and experience, tell me what changed. Base weight is a bad metric, or maybe it's just the wrong one to lead with. Change my mind.